a beautiful day, the sun is shining, and we are going to install a kitchen.
We are here from Gorenje team and we will install today the appliances from Gorenje brand. Let's go! And let's select the melt. So we'll put the chocolate inside. After we prepare the croissants, we will just use them. Yeah, just put it inside. So we'll select the medium level of steam. Especially it's good to use the steam during the croissants, the bread, and you have many auto programs.
Fastest preheat on the market.
Yeah, 5 minutes to get this oven to 200 degrees.
That's cool.
Induction hob you have, developed in EU, nice. The fastest recognition of the pot on the market.
That's amazing.
Yeah, you see the steam is working. I recommend if you have the Wi-Fi network here, you can connect the hob, you can connect the oven, you can use the glass program, you have a fast program, the recognizing program which recognizes the dirtiness on your dishes. So,
oh, look at that, look at those croissants.
We'll take them out.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh.
This looks nice.
That looks amazing. It's hot. It's hot.
It's fresh.
Oh my gosh. That is pretty amazing. Mm. Oh man. Wow. Those croissants, they're cooked very well.
Yeah.
They're like soft on the inside, flaky on the outside.
He actually baked his first croissants in the oven and he melted his first chocolate on our induction hob.
Chocolate's like perfectly melted, perfectly warm. Do it, do it. Every bite needs chocolate.
I really think he likes the croissants he made.
I'll tell you what, the croissants are cooked very well.
So even if you don't like the chocolate, with this you have to like it.
Really are, they're perfect.